for the Black Pearl. I'm using the Paper Army logo for a sandwich. The Black Pearl turned out stunning. Um, it had 4,596 pieces and took me 485 hours to build it. This is the sheet, the build sheet for it. Super. Well, tell me. The Amerigo Vespucci? Yes, it is. And I think he was out of Italy or Spain or something. Maybe Spain. I think Spain. So yes, and just remember how old I am. You will be that old as well. It's one of those kind of. Well, here's the deal. I've got tons of cool ships to build already and don't have time to do it. All right. This Pearl build was supposed to take 3 months. It took 6 months. Are you kidding me? 6 months to build the Pearl. I don't have time to build all the cool stuff. Hi, Celine. Nice to see you, young lady. Hello, Mikey. Welcome. Oh, yeah, probably. You know how I am. It's Friday. Well, I can't stand Cherry Coke or Pepsi. Wow. And I'm sorry they wrecked Dr. Pepper for you. Not bad. Kind of looks okay. Yeah, I should make a lot of stuff, but I don't have time. I need you to make the Black Hawk. Alex, it is. I've been building with just paper for the past 16 years. I happen to be very good at it. And the cool thing about it is, I'm not going to quit anytime soon. Doesn't matter what the haters have to say about it, because I don't care what they say. Yes, it was. Very cool build. Okay, now I've been working on this Tomcat for a while, and y'all have been seeing it come along. And so I glued the side wings on today. And so you saw me taking this tissue paper. And the tissue paper is what I braced the wings with. As you can see right here, that I did this. That's one strip on each side. Well, that's not enough. Okay, it's not strong enough that way. I'm going to do 2 strips on every one. But I've got to do these pieces next. My favorite glue is Elmer's. I've been using Elmer's glue since I was a kid. And, yep. See this? We have Hot Pockets over here. I don't know if you got them or not. But anyway, this little box down here is made out of a Hot Pockets box. Well, so is the thing on top of this little box. If you build models and you learn how to do what I do, when you're building a model kit, you can build one out of paper too. Anyway, this is the amazing stuff you can do out of paper. And you don't have to do I don't know what Eurovision is. Hi, Joe. Yeah. Original gangsta, original grandpa, an old guy. I fit all of them. Hi, Joe. And thank you guys very much for all your support. Howdy, Dan. Shout out to Dan. Dan the man, Levitan. Tell you what, you guys want to see a really good movie? What's his name? Zorro? Hey, Ace. Don't threaten people on the internet. It's stupid. There's nothing you're going to do about nothing. Oh, there it is. Yeah, Maurice, it is. I seen that one back when it was. Where do you want to go? That's absolutely ridiculous, Zorro. What's that? Because he says things about maybe about your mom or something. Well, here's the whole deal. If somebody says something about your mom and it's not true, who cares? Nobody in the world knows your mom or knows anything about your mom or cares either. So the whole thing is people have got to start listening to words and taking them as painful. And I know it is painful because I've had bad words said to me a lot. But the thing is, if you let the words get to you, then whoever said them wins. And that is absolutely the truth. It was. What's that drop the ing? I don't get it. Oh, yeah, why? All right, once you get the gussets in there. Now, this is, I put one gusset on each top and bottom of each one of these back wings. Now, that is just the start. I have to do two more, or one more on each one of them, and then I works good. Same with this. This is just metallic brass or copper acrylic. Oh well, you won't. Ah, keyboard warriors, Eddie. Yep, already been here. Yep. Yeah, I did. That's why people ask me if I have an engineering degree, because my very first build plastic kit was at 5 years old, 1958. You know, that's like 60 years old there. Okay, the cool thing about that is, I just didn't build models. I helped my mom and dad build houses and apartments, and I poured concrete. I built frames. I welded on bridges and stuff. And so, in my lifetime, I have learned engineering principles by everything that I have done. And then I started doing this hobby. It's cool. I had to wait until I was 55 years old to start a career that I never thought I would start. What, Eddie? Okay. What happened there? You said something and then just nothing. I don't know. That's all right. Short trip, Eddie. I lost mine 5 minutes ago. Is this one right here from my wife, Honey Bunny. Made from Hot Pockets box. This is it. We live on the third rock from the sun. Makes us human beings. Let's start acting like intelligent human beings should act. Day's going good. Thank you very much. Awesome news. November. I've had 72 years of learning, and I'm still not done. And personally speaking, you guys, I think building with anything is a good deal. I don't care if you use metal or wood or paper or what you use. But if you're building, you're learning. It's one of those kind of things that you can't help it. I will be back for my first show on Monday, 5 hours and 30 minutes earlier than right now. If you come to this show and you want to see it, an hour and a half earlier. So, yeah, I think you can make an automation out of paper. You'd have to do some really creative. It don't matter. I don't care. LGBTQ community is welcome here like anybody else. Not too thrilled about it. It was cool, but not. And so, I don't care. I'm not going to watch it again. It's too big of a waste of time, actually. Right now what I'm doing is I'm cutting gussets for the micro F-14 build. I'm strengthening up these wings so they don't break off very easy. And so that's what I'm doing right now for the F-14. I needed to make 2 more of these for this side over here. Aw. Garden this weekend. And what was that you said, Eddie? Oh, yep, that's as exciting as it gets, working in the garden. I might go bowling. I've been bowling since I was 7. Paragraph that just went by, Eddie. This artist thing I made. I couldn't read it. It's kind of nice. I do this all week long. You know, I get up at 4 or 5 in the morning, and I come up here and I start building, and then I do 2 shows for 4 hours in a day, and then I go home, go to bed. Yeah, and so weekend gardening, it is kind of fun. I do want to go bowling, though. I really do. So I might do that this weekend. I have... This one took me 6 months. 6 months, but it's done. Oh, you guys, yeah, it's out for years, and people start to understand how good you are, and you become a good paper engineer and paper army person. And it is very cool. Of course I got 1 foot in the grave. I've had 1 foot in the grave for 70 years. What's wrong with you? I bet you wish...